Hand dominance, the preference of using one hand over the other for skilled tasks, is a curious phenomenon with deep-rooted biological, genetic, and developmental aspects. Approximately 90% of the global population is right-handed, according to a range of studies and surveys. This leaves a minority of about 10% who identify as left-handed. But why is there such a split in hand preference, and what determines someone's dominance? The underlying reasons for hand dominance are complex and multifaceted. Studies have shown that the preference for using one hand starts to manifest in infants, suggesting a biological and genetic component. The brain plays a central role in determining hand dominance through its hemispheric specialization. Tasks associated with speech and hand coordination are often located in opposite sides of the brain. For right-handed individuals, the left hemisphere is typically dominant for these functions, which may also control the right hand. Genetics play a significant role in hand dominance. Research suggests there is a hereditary aspect to whether a person becomes left-handed or right-handed. If both parents are left-handed, there is a higher probability that their children will also be left-handed. However, the exact genes responsible for hand dominance are not fully identified, and no single genetic marker has been found that can predict hand preference. Prenatal development may also influence hand dominance. Prenatal conditions, such as exposure to hormones like testosterone in the womb, can affect the development of the brain and may be linked to hand preference. Some theories propose that an individual's hand dominance is determined even before birth and can be influenced by the position in which they lie in the womb or the hand they predominantly use for thumb-sucking as fetuses. Environmental factors can contribute to the development of hand dominance as well. Cultural and societal pressures often favor right-handedness, which is reflected in the design of tools, devices, and public facilities that cater primarily to right-handed users. In some parts of the world, left-handedness has been discouraged or even stigmatized, leading to forced adoption of right-hand use despite a natural left-handed inclination. Hand dominance is not just a division between left and right, it exists on a spectrum. Some people are strongly dominant with one hand, while others exhibit a more mixed-handedness, easily switching hands for different tasks. Furthermore, in cases of injury or disability, people can learn to use their non-dominant hand with proficiency, illustrating the brain's remarkable neuroplasticity. Finally, hand dominance has been observed in historical records dating back thousands of years and across various cultures, indicating its presence throughout much of human existence. While the exact balance of factors that determine hand dominance remains an area of ongoing research, it is clear that a blend of genetics, biology, and environment shapes whether an individual becomes left-handed or right-handed. In conclusion, while many factors contribute to hand dominance, it is the intricate interplay between genetic makeup and environmental influences that ultimately determines whether a person favors their left or right hand. This distinctly human characteristic continues to intrigue scientists and laypeople alike as we seek to understand the complexities of our own lateralization and preferences.